Okay, what else? Is are you matter? Okay, you are matter. Why? Because
It's
it
mass.
has mass and you occupy space. You
Space.
have volume. Okay, so okay, when we say weight with the presence of gravitational pull. Okay, how about in moon? Is there gravitational pull? But it has lesser gravitational pull. That's why Armstrong was floating in the moon. But he was able to land and walk on the surface of the moon. So, what are components of matter, Felipe? What composes matter? What composes matter? We have atom. Okay, atom. Atom is the smallest particle in matter. Okay, of a matter. Okay, so everything that is present in the periodic table are atoms. Okay, what is the difference between atom and molecule? Smallest particle. How about in what is the difference between atom and made up of one or two atoms? Okay, so molecules could be composed of one or two atoms. Okay, take note that atoms are the smallest particles. Okay, so molecule, it is in compound form. Okay, consisting in compound form. It consists different molecules. It can consist different molecules. Okay, it can consist different molecules. Okay, it is, how would you read this one? It's not very hard.
Nabunas ko sa mukha ko. Hindi ko
Oxygen.
Tigas sa sapatos ko.
How about this? This is oxygen dioxide. No. This is an oxygen atom. This is an atom, oxygen atom. This is an oxygen molecule. Why molecule? Because it composed of two molecules. It only composed of two molecules, two oxygen. Oxygen. Oxygen molecule. This is oxygen atom. Okay? Okay, so there are different properties, different states of matter. What are these? I need one.